Everyone, this is Cindy with Create the Heart, and I'm back with week 2 of my October daily. So I'm just going to flip right to week 2. If you missed week 1, you can go ahead and go back and watch that. Hopefully, if I remember, I will post the video for week 1. And I will do a flip through for week 4, and anything extra, I'll go over that. So this is week 2. This is my insert that I created for week 2. And so just like I did with week 1, this front page, I don't have anything yet. I haven't decided what I'm going to do with these pages. I might do some sort of a journaling. These are the kinds of things that I'll go over more in detail during my final walkthrough, because some things I do leave blank because I'm not sure what I want to do with them until later on in the month. But anyway, like I did for the first insert is I do a brief kind of, journaling thing of what I did for each day of the week. And so even if I have a hard time keeping up with the rest of the week, if I can keep up with this, then I know what happened during the week. So that's here from 8 through 14, lists just something, a brief little description of what we did for each day. This is my day 8. And so this is what I spelled current stuff because currently didn't fit. Plus I was out of the L, but I had enough letters for stuff. I was out of the E, so I made my own E, so I'm just trying to work through what I have. And so I had made a bunch of these coffee cups. And so I used one here where I talk about my love for coffee and pumpkin spice lattes. So that's there. And then this is some other stuff I'm into, lots of drinks, I guess. Izzy's, which is my favorite soda, so that's here. And then rice candy, which is something that I'm really into right now. And so I put that there. So for day 9, I have a picture of my son playing Fortnite, because that seems to be all that he does now on his free time is play this darn Fortnite game with his friends. And then let's see, I had kind of a blank section in here where I didn't have anything really. So in here I created a little pocket with an envelope that I have. And then these are just some printables that I found on the internet that I filled out, like little quizzes and things about Halloween. And so that's a fun way of kind of documenting what's happening or journaling about Halloween and about the month. If you don't have anything to put, like a picture or something like that. And then just some cut apart here. And then here's 10, day 10. And so I've got my daughter in the morning with our pup with the broken arm, and he's all like long ways getting his rubs on his pillow. And then this is like later in the morning or later in the day with my daughter, and he's got his little paw right on her arm. It's so cute. That's there. And then she's got some selfies here, and then I've got a tag here, and then on the back I have some journaling. And so this is just some letter dies that I have where I spelled out selfie. And then here is the 11th, which is my son's pitching lesson. And then the 12th, my niece came over, went out to dinner, so I journaled that. And then here we had a surprise rainstorm. So I have my dog here with a bag on his broken leg, kind of gallivanting out there. We didn't realize it was raining that hard when we went outside, because when we came out from the restaurant, it was like barely raining, and then it was just pouring. And it was just shocking because it was kind of a warm day, and then it just rained. And I live in Southern California, so like it never rains here. And then this is let's see, what is this? Oh, this is supposed to be the 13th. I don't know what I did with my 13th. Oh, here it is right here. Duh. When I pull this out, there's the 13 right there. Duh. Okay, so here is this. This is a tag or like a little die cut or something from Michaels, and so I just journaled in white pen on the back side of it, and then it just fits right in there. And this is my daughter's little friend. They went to tumbling, and then they spent the day together. And then here's more of their little adventures and some journaling. And then today, which is the 14th, my daughter and I went costume shopping. So there's my dog looking a little sad because we bought him a cookie costume to wear. And then just a selfie of me and Flash. And then see some of these pages I'm going to leave blank. I don't, it's kind of like when you're doing it, you're just trying to get your pictures in and your journaling in. And then sometimes the actual final decorations don't happen until like the very end because you're just trying to make sure that you get everything in there. Okay, so it's definitely growing. I still have some slack and some space, but it's definitely much bigger than it was last week. So thank you for watching. This is Cindy, Create the Heart.